Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari and today's video we are going to be doing something different. But before we get into the video, have you subscribed to my channel? Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe and be part of the family and let's grow together. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie a silk scarf on your braids. So on to the first style, you're just going to tie the silk scarf into a triangle and then place it on your hair near your eyebrows. Then take the two ends and tie it from the back like that. So you can do a double tie so that it is secure. And that is our first style. Onto our second style, we'll just take the same way we have tied it, but then you put it to the side. I guess you're going to call this style the durag style because it really looks like a durag. Onto the third style, you're going to take your scarf and fold it 5 to 6 times or 7 times up to the point where you feel like you're okay with how it looks, just like mine. Then you're going to place it at the back of your head and tie it to the front. Then you're going to take the loose ends and tuck them to the back of the scarf or the back of your head. Onto the fourth style, we're just going to use it as it is, but then we're going to make a bun at the front. So our bun is going to look a little bit smaller because our scarf is not that big. But if you have two identical scarves and you want your bun to be bigger, you can use the other scarf at the front and make your bun to be bigger than mine. Onto the fifth style, you're just going to take your folded scarf, place it on the back of your head and tie it to the front. So by this one, you're not on the second tie, you're going to make it look like a ribbon. Just like that. And then you're going to try to make it to look a bit bigger. On to style number 6, you're going to take your scarf to the back of your head, but now you're going to put it under your braids. Then you're going to tie it to the front. And I'm going to try to make a bun, a bun. I think I was trying to make both. What was I even doing? So you can make whatever you want, either a bun or a ribbon. And that's how it looks. On to style number 7, you're going to tie the scarf into a triangle, but now you're going to do the opposite of what we did in the first style. You take the bigger part to the back and then you tie it to the front. Then you're going to make a bun. On to style number 8, you're going to fold the scarf into a triangle. Then we are going back to the 90s. I really love this style. It takes us back to the ages of Rapunzel and Little Red Riding Hood. So you can rock this style with nice glasses. On to style number 9, you're going to take the folded scarf, then, oh no, we have forgotten. You're going to fold it from the front, going backwards. And that's how it looks like. And finally, on the last style, we're just going to place the tied end to the side. Just like that. And we are done. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.